So what do we need to clean the windows quick and easy? Well, the ENJO Window Combi makes this task super simple. But what else do you need? Water. Just plain old cold water. That's all. So that's all that's in this spray bottle. Now, I have a bad arm, so I'm right-handed, but I can't do that with my right hand right now. So bear with me. I'm going to do the best I can, but show you that literally this is how easy it is. I can do it with the wrong hand, right? So I'm just going to spray some water on my window and show you from there. So if you find that the dirt's not coming off too well, add more water. That's the key. So I have my blue living fiber on the window combi. The squeegee's on the back, and because I can reach this, it's fine. You can add to the bottom here. You can add the handle from our floor system if you have tall windows. Luckily, this one's okay. So look how easy this is. Now remember, this is my wrong hand, and this is coming nice and clean. Now, I will have to do the outside, obviously, but that's how easy it is. And then you just flip it over, use the squeegee side, and it will pull all of the water that's left on your, in this case, patio door down. And I find that, like, around the handle right here, I just kind of adjust the angle of my squeegee, and I can fit the handle right in between my squeegee part and the living part. So it makes it really simple, and then you just pull all your water down. So it's literally as easy as that. I will now have to do the outside. So it'll be literally as easy as that. Right around the edges where the plastic in this case meets the glass, I'm just going to take either the living fiber or the window fiber ENJO film, not fiber, and just dry around there, because squeegee can't do over the bumps, right? So it's pretty easy. You just literally go around the outside and all's good. So I still need to do it on the outside too. So this window is a little smaller than obviously the patio door, but it works the same way. But if this window wasn't that wide, the full width of my window combi, then we do have it smaller. So it's, how do I do this with one hand? Can you see the two sizes here? So it's considerably smaller. I believe it's 28 centimeters and 16 centimeters. This one works really well I find it for the inside when I'm trying to do inside my windshield, or some people have really skinny windows, and this one works really well. But my window is big enough that I can still use my big one, and it will work great. So again, I just need my cold water. And my window combi. And then I'm just going to flip over. I find if you squeegee across the top, it gets the top part of that really well. Now I'm outside, so I'm just going to shake it off. But look, like, can you see all the dirt that just came off that window there? Not sure if you can see it in the frame. But I will take a picture of that, because there's a lot of dirt that just came off that. So now I literally just need to go inside, do the inside, and that window will be done too. So while you're at it, don't forget to clean your screens, because if there's that much dirt on the windows, it's probably that much dirt on the screen. So I'm just going to spray a little more water on my window combi. Now, this is the only thing that you need to remember to clean your screens. Always stand on the inside of your house so that all the dirt goes outside. Otherwise, if you stand out there, all that dirt is going to end up on your floor in here, or anything else that's right in front of the window, or in this case, patio door. So that's literally don't forget that one. Really, really, really important. But all I'm going to use, I'm not going to use the squeegee part. I'm just going to use the fiber part, and I can clean my screen very simply. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a whole bunch of like dusty bits. It's easier if you lock that door. Coming off the screen. I could see it immediately when I started cleaning it. Done. Pretty simple, right? I'm pretty sure you can do this too.